Kumusta po kayong lahat? And I hope everyone is well rested. So kailangan nakapagpahinga tayo para ready sa pag-donate ng dugo. No? Thank you for selflessly giving back to the community. We are gathered here to continue a Lingkod Pag-ibig tradition that is donating life-giving blood to partner hospitals and organizations whose clients are in need of this supply. So ito po ay isang resource na hindi mailalagay sa budget ni Pag-ibig Fund kasi ito po ay resource na infinite ang halaga. No? It is a priceless gift that keeps on giving. This initiative is a powerful demonstration of the spirit of bayanihan where we come together as one Pag-ibig to lend a hand to our fellow Filipinos. It is a testament to our shared values of compassion, empathy, and social responsibility. So every blood donated today represents a life saved and a chance for someone's healing and hope for a healthier life. In fact, pag nakapag-donate tayo ng dugo, posibleng ang isinesave mo, directly or indirectly, ay sarili mong buhay o buhay ng kapamilya mo. Diba? So in fact, Pag-ibig Fund employees have also been beneficiaries of this program, having recipients also of blood coming from the Dugong Alay. Naging beneficiaries din po ang mga empleyado ng Pag-ibig. So nagpapasalamat po kami sa Dugong Alay Dugtong Buhay Incorporated, ang mga medical teams ng Cardinal Santos Medical Center, palakpakan po natin. At ng Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital, palakpakan din po natin for their unwavering dedication and tireless effort in making this event possible. Their commitment to saving lives is truly inspiring. To all Lingkod Pag-ibig who have chosen to participate today, I want to express my deepest gratitude. Your generosity and willingness to give part of yourselves is a true reflection of the kind and caring individuals that make up Pag-ibig family. So bilang pasasalamat, after you donate, meron kaming courtesy na breakfast para sa inyo para ma-regain po ninyo ang inyong lakas. No? May balot ba dyan? Okay. Pampalakas ng tuhod pagkatapos mag-donate. So let us make this blood donation drive a resounding success. Our target today is more or less 200 successful extractions. As of 9:30, we have 145 registrants. So I hope na maging successful po lahat. As of 9:30, we have 30 successful extractions. 13 from Our Lady of Lourdes and 17 from Cardinal Santos Medical Center. So let's continue with this activity today. So mula sa bawat Lingkod Pag-ibig, patuloy nating pag-alabin ng ating pakikipagkapwa. Ito ay isang serbisyo na totoong mula sa puso. So this activity is also one activity para sa pag-ibig na ramdam ng lahat. Maraming salamat po.